Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unbagging my Yes Oh Yes bag. So this month's bag, the theme is Resting Witch Face, and as always there's 5 items included in the bag. The first item is from, let's see here, yeah, this is from Scone Cosmetic. This is the Lux Pro Brush. It's basically a brow and lash brush. I have a couple of these, but never hurts to have more. That retails for $20. The next thing in the bag is from Mirabella Visionary Longwear Eyeshadow. This retails for $30. This is what it looks like. That's the color of it. It's kind of like a sparkly mauve looking color. The next item in the bag is from NCLA. This is the Beauty Nail Lacquer. This retails for $18. This is in the color I've been drinking. So that's cute. The next thing in the bag, which is what I'm going to be putting on, this is from IBY Beauty. This is the City Limits palette. This retails for $28, and this is what it looks like. Some really nice mauve colors in there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start on the eyes now, and then the last thing in the bag is from STIKS Lipstick. This is $20, and see here, it's in the color Tangerine. So that's what that looks like. It's an interesting shaped lipstick. You basically flip it up. Oh, it's up too high. There you go. You flip it up, and that's how you get to the lipstick. So there's that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into this palette. See here, the first color I'm gonna go in with is Road Trip, which is this one here. I'm gonna use this in the crease. And then we're going to go into this next color here, which is called Glamping. And we're just going to do the same thing, just into the crease. And then we're going to go into this last color here on the right, which is called Silent Disco. And again, we're going to put this in the crease just a little bit lower. We're going to go back into that first color called Road Trip and just blend it out. Alright, and we're going to use this Nightfall here, and we're going to use that as the brow highlight. And inner corner highlight as well. And then for the lid, we're going to use this color here called Headliner. And I just use those same 3 colors on the crease on the bottom of my lid there, or the lower lash line. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and go off camera, finish up the rest of my eye makeup, and then we will be back to put on the lipstick. Alright, so got my face put on, so we're going to go ahead and the last thing that was in the Yes Oh Yes bag was the lipstick that we're going to go ahead and try on. I don't know how well it will go with this eyeshadow look I've got going on, but we will go ahead and try it out. It's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, and it's not the easiest to apply. Yeah, the shape of this lipstick makes it very difficult to apply, so I'm not a fan of that. But that's what the color looks like, and that is everything out of my Yes Oh Yes bag. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be reminded the next time I upload. I again thank you for watching, and you have a great day.